Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you a nice simple recipe that uses already pre-made stuff, so all you do is slap it together and make it good to go for those who are very busy but want to make something that's delicious and enough to feed the whole family. I'm making a chicken and broccoli casserole, and I know casseroles aren't the most exciting thing, but it's delicious. Let's go check it out. Alright, we're going to start this off. I got my broccoli in this bowl. If you don't want to cut up your own fresh broccoli, you can always just buy the frozen stuff. Then you go ahead and add chicken in. Now, you can go through the trouble if you prefer to cut up and cook your own chicken, which I would do a lot of times, but also one of my favorite things to do is just buy the pre-cut and cooked canned chicken. And you can use that instead. It still tastes just as good, and I love using this stuff. This is like the cheater's way. If you feel like taking more time, go for it. If you don't have a lot of time, then this is the easy way to do it. And then you're going to go ahead and put a can of condensed broccoli and cheese soup in. See if you can see that in here. Try to get it up in there. Make sure I get it all. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my spoon out of there. It's one thing I can do. I'm gonna mix it all up. Make sure you get that soup all mixed up in everything. Get everything coated in that yumminess, because everyone loves some broccoli and cheese soup. Run away! Okay. You mix it all up. And you go ahead and I got a pre-greased up casserole dish here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this mixture in there. I'll even it out here in a second. Now the way I'm doing it here is the quick and easy way. If you don't have a lot of time and don't have a lot of skill in the kitchen, you can just buy this stuff already pre-made here, or simple stuff to make. And you can put it in to make this. All right, now I got that all layered out. Now beforehand, I got a box of chicken stuffing, and I made it on the oven. You could also make it in the microwave. You can go ahead and throw that on top. And scrape that out too. I thought it would fall a lot easier than that. You're gonna make sure that's layered on top, all nice and neat. Best you can here. And you got yourself the last ingredient here, some good old cheddar, shredded cheddar. Put that on top. I'm gonna put lots of cheese on here because, you know, cheese, that's why. And who doesn't like a nice amount of cheese all over their stuff? This kitchen smells amazing because of that stuffing right now. All right. I like to layer mine with cheese. If you don't want to put that much cheese on, you don't have to, but I want to. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for 15-20 minutes covered, and then you're going to open up the oven, check it, take the lid off, and cook it again for another, I think it's about 20 minutes-ish without a cover on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop mine in. I'll come back to you guys once I pop it in and do both the covered and the uncovered cook. All right, I'm gonna get ready to pull mine out of the oven. Oh, I'll tell you right now, this thing smells amazing. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's some nice burnt cheese on the side, which is fine by me. No one ever complains about burnt cheese. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and get my bowl, so I'm putting mine in a bowl. All right, ready for this? Oh yeah. Oh, well there's the inside looks like. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. I want some cheese. Give me some cheese. There we go. Look at that. Now that is going to be absolutely delicious. It smells amazing. And there you go. And there you have it. Told you, nice and simple. Only a few ingredients. Takes about 30 minutes total to cook. And it's absolutely delicious. If you want to, the broccoli comes out a little crunchier. If you want to have it softer, make sure you like steam the broccoli first. Or if you're using frozen, it'll just cook up and soften up on its own. I forgot to mention that earlier. But like I said, if you want it softer, steam it first, unless you're using the frozen stuff. If you like this video, please leave in the comments down below what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, all that good stuff, and feel free to give me a thumbs up. Click the little subscribe button and click the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I post every week, yummy recipes and other food-related stuff, and I hope to see you around.